So starting the test drive in this IONIQ 9 here, have it in eco mode now. Of course, very quiet with it being an EV, but still has enough pickup to drive in everyday situations without having to put it into a different drive mode, in my opinion at least. And I just like how easy it is to maneuver with it being as large as it is on the inside here. There's tons of space, even for my bigger stature here, tons of room for my hips, hands, headroom, everything. Now, right off the bat, just feeling a bit of a bounce in the vehicle itself as it hits bumps, but I mean, the ride itself is comfortable. It's just, it doesn't ride like a Mercedes, but that's what I'd expect from a vehicle like this. But just really easy to drive with the iPedal Max out there. I'm gonna put the drive mode into sport. And the pedal is definitely much more touchy there. But I'm just getting it ready for it to get on the interstate. Yeah, I like the overall sound acoustics in here. It's very nice. Here we go. Oh, it's so quick. It's so quick. It just really gets going, and you just want to keep your foot in it. I'm gonna go down and exit. See if I can test out the cruise here with the lane centering. Now I want to give one more thanks to Hyundai of Cool Springs for allowing me to review this IONIQ 9 today. I'll leave a link below in the description. But if you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click on that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But just a quick lap there, it has so much power, and it really puts it down for it to only have, what, 422 horses. And obviously the torque numbers are more important, but this is a big vehicle. And it doesn't feel like it, but when it comes to space, when it comes to weight, it's a large vehicle, especially with that, what, 110 or so kilowatt hour battery pack. You have room for 7 in here. I mean, a lot of room for 7 in here. It just, it has quite a bit for the money. So with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Hyundai IONIQ 9 Performance in the limited trim level.